Do you ever wonder how to increase your YouTube views? How do some channels skyrocket in popularity while others struggle to gain traction? Well, wonder no more. Today we're unraveling the mystery. We're going to share with you some of the most effective tricks to boost your YouTube views. First, let's delve into the world of search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is not just for websites, it's equally crucial for YouTube. You want your video to pop up when someone types in relevant keywords. So how do you achieve that? Craft your video title, description and tags with keywords that accurately describe your content. But remember, don't stuff keywords randomly, they should flow naturally within your content. Second, thumbnails and titles can make or break your video's click-through rate. Create compelling thumbnails that catch the eye. Pair them with intriguing titles that pique curiosity. Remember, the goal is to entice viewers to click on your video without resorting to clickbait. Third, consistency is key. Regularly uploading videos keeps your channel fresh and encourages viewers to return. Create a schedule and stick to it. It doesn't matter if you post once a week or once a month, as long as you're consistent. Fourth, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. People are more likely to watch and share your videos if they feel a personal connection. Fifth, leverage social media. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and any other platforms where your potential viewers hang out. Don't just drop a link though. Create a compelling post that gives people a reason to watch your video. Finally, don't forget about collaborations. Teaming up with other creators can expose your channel to a whole new audience. Look for creators who share your target audience but offer different content. Now, let's recap. To increase your YouTube views, you need to optimize your videos for search, create eye-catching thumbnails and titles, consistently upload new content, engage with your viewers, leverage social media, and collaborate with other creators. Remember, there's no magic formula for YouTube success. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error, but with these tricks up your sleeve, you're well on your way to boosting your views and growing your channel. So go ahead, give these tricks a try, see the difference they can make. After all, every view counts, and with each new view, you're one step closer to creating the YouTube channel you've always dreamed of.